After a full year of selling on Etsy with print-on-demand drop shipping, I've noticed that there's some things that gurus tell you to do that don't really matter at all and end up just wasting your time. But some things almost no one talks about can often make a massive difference in boosting your sales significantly, both in short-term sales as well as like long-term brand building and getting repeat customers. Now, one of those things is the use of email marketing in conjunction with your Etsy shop. I'm not specifically referring to the automatic offers that you can set up and send via follow-up emails on Etsy, although you should definitely set those up too. That's low-hanging fruit for sure. I'm talking about integrating your own email marketing to collect all your customers' emails after you get their sales. This will allow you to get tons more sales, turn one-off customers into repeat customers over and over, and get lots more reviews on your shops, which will increase your social proof pretty much on autopilot. And many people don't know this, but Etsy actually allows your shop to integrate with email marketing tools as well. By connecting email marketing with your shop, you can begin building an email list that you can continually market future products to, who you know are clearly interested in your products and your niche, and already know and trust your shop as well. I mean, imagine if every time you launched a new product in the future, you could just jumpstart it with a bunch of sales, a bunch of reviews, and rank it extremely high in search. That's the power of effective email marketing combined with your Etsy shop. Not only that, you can directly inform customers about special sales and special promotions. Just this past week, I launched a Black Friday coming up promo on Etsy that absolutely crushed it compared to my normal weekly sales. And I wouldn't have been able to do that had I not been effectively collecting those emails from past buyers and building a relationship and fostering that relationship over time. Now, you might be thinking, all right, that makes sense, but I don't have the time to set up email marketing campaigns and automated responses, nor do I have the time to learn how to use an email software to get these results. Enter Everbee Email. Picture this, an email marketing buddy that's super easy to use and super easy to set up and totally gets all Etsy's rules and complies with all their policies, as well as helps you connect with your customers in a really cool and easy way. Setting it up is super easy. It's a couple of clicks and you're done. And they have all these awesome email templates as well that have been proven to work over time. You can personalize yours, of course, if you want to, but think of them kind of as like a helpful starting point when you're not sure how to begin or what to send. And my favorite part is that it automatically pulls your products from your Etsy shop into your emails as well. It's kind of a way of showing off cool stuff without extra effort, and again, that's all done with the templates feature. Now, let's be clear about Etsy's email policies because I know it can be confusing for a lot of people, especially when you're starting. So there's two types of emails in Etsy's eyes: transactional emails and marketing emails. Transactional emails are emails about your orders, confirming, updating, asking for reviews, answering buyer emails. Marketing emails, on the other hand, where you're pitching a promo code or you're talking about a new product launch, are allowed as long as you have permission from your customers first. But here's the cool thing with Everbee. It's perfect for those okay by Etsy transactional emails because they make it super effective and super easy for you to get customers to opt in, thus granting you that permission to then email them. If you're not using this, then in my opinion, you're trying to compete with other sellers in your niche at a serious disadvantage. On the contrary, using Everbee email will allow you to scale your shop exponentially faster. We all want buyers to come back, right? That's a no-brainer. And a friendly email that's timed right can encourage them to return and foster that long-term relationship with their customer. And it's 10 times harder to sell a new customer that's unfamiliar with you and your brand and doesn't trust you yet than it is to resell a previous customer who already does. This will also spoon feed you more reviews, which are crucial, and go a long way to ranking your products higher, increasing your future conversion rates when customers land on your listings, and increasing your social proof overall for your shop as well. A simple email like, "Hey, I hope you loved your purchase. Would you mind leaving a review?" can really help increase your reviews fast. Now, you can of course come up with something a little bit more professional if you want, but believe it or not, you don't need to get cute or too wordy. Something direct and genuine tends to work well in my experience. Especially if you leverage the fact that you're a small third-party seller and not a big brand, people tend to eat that up and go out of their way to help you. This software is specifically made for Etsy sellers like you and me, with Etsy specifically in mind as well. It fits right into what we do, and it fits right into our exact needs on a daily basis. As you scale your Etsy business, it should get easier and easier. Every new product launch should have the potential to be a smashing success. Repeat customers, well, they should be the norm, not the exception. And your shop's reviews should multiply effortlessly with every sale. And with Everbee email, you'll be on your journey to get there a lot faster.